guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a new fresh video. As I guys told you before, I will give you a tour of my new dormitory. Before we were living in another dormitory, but right now we have changed to the new dormitory. You guys can see in the back of me, this is our new dormitory. What are the facilities in this new dormitory, why we come here, and how this dormitory is looking like inside. So guys, if you don't know me, my name is Usman, Aryan. I'm living in China. Right now I'm here at Anhui Normal University and I'm giving you a tour of Anhui Normal University International Students Dormitory. So stay with me until the end of this video and watch how this dormitory is looking like. And a lot of my friends were asking me about the dormitory tour. So today is the day, guys, and I hope you would like this video. If you like, please subscribe and share this video with your friends and enjoy the dormitory tour of foreigner students in China. Let's go. So this is the entry gate. The last dormitory gate was so big, but this dormitory entry gate is not that big. You guys can see here we enter to the dormitory and look at that. This is our This is our office when you come here inside, and this security guard will check your card. Without card you cannot enter to the dormitory. The new rules are like that. If you have guests and you don't want to bring him up, so you can sit here and have a cup of coffee with him or have a talk here. So this dormitory, and then we have this gate. You will get through this gate. Here you can see at the first ground floor, these are the washing machines, and it's automatically using machines, and you will need to pay for. Look at that. These washing machines we had to use in other dormitories, so they have transferred here. These two very good machines I like. And here, this is the security guard room. Here, this gate, you're gonna open this gate like this, and this is kind of small gate, and here you go upstairs. Look at that. At the first floor you can see a beautiful view. Wow, I'll show you here. Very beautiful palm trees, and here some fire system, and here you can see, guys, here you go up. This is the 201, 202, and here is the 301, here is the 302. So 301 looks like that, and here is my apartment entrance gate. Whew. Here we go. Here I enter to the apartment. You close the door, so your apartment is separated from all the other foreign students. Nobody can enter, only if you want to allow someone. So this is our apartment officially. Right now entered to my apartment. I'm living at third floor. At the other dormitory I was also living at third floor, so same for me. But this is like an apartment system. There was dormitories, but here was apartment. We are living four friends here. I'm living here. Here's my another friend, and here's my other friend. The two are living there. So this is our apartment, and right now I will give you the tour of my apartment. So stay with me and have some cinematic shot of my apartment. Here you can have big mirror, very big mirror, so you can dress up and you can see yourself here. Right now I'm here at the bathroom, but you can see a very beautiful view from the bathroom. So you can enjoy your toilet, your shower, and the beautiful view. Wow, amazing. This dormitory is very beautiful. I like that. When we were coming here, I was not expecting like this dormitory will be that beautiful, but I really liked it because it's like a kind of secure and you have your own privacy. Nobody can enter to your apartment, just your roommates can come and your guest. And this is very beautiful, and the view, the trees, and all the small apartments I will show you right now in the drone footage. This looks very beautiful, and this dormitory has more facilities than other dormitory, like kitchen and hot water and all the other facilities, the wooden floor, and a lot of great things in this dormitory. Like it's very like fully equipped, and every facilities you need in your home, that facilities you can have in this dormitory. It's small dormitory, as I'm telling you. It's not new dormitory, it's old apartment, like old building, but they have repaired it like a new, fresh new. Look at that, look at these tiles, look at behind me, this shower is very beautiful and very clean, and everything is very perfect. So I think, guys, this dormitory is amazing. And let me show you the tour of the balcony. This is our kitchen. This is the most dirty kitchen. This is the most worst kitchen in this dormitory, but I don't want to just artificially clean it. It is just like just dirty every day like this. That's why I want to show you. Boys are always like, I don't know other boys, but we are so messy like that, but we clean every day. But we have like 4 or 5 friends in this apartment, so everyone cook here, so it's very hard to clean it. But girls apartments are, wow, really clean. Maybe if I go to any of my friend girls apartment, I will show you, but they are really clean. We are not that clean, but we are trying to make it things little bit okay. But this is our apartment. Let me show you the room. This is one room, the second room. This is bathroom. Look at that. Ooh, bathroom is probably very good. This is me. Ooh. Okay, look at that. And yeah. Wow, but you can see the bathroom is clear, so this is good. We have 2 bathrooms, and one is another side. I will show you. This is the main bathroom. Like you can see, it's very beautiful, very clean, and very nice. Our kitchen is not clean, but the bathroom is very clean, guys. So let me show you other things. The doors are very nice, nicely locked. My friend room, he's not here, it's locked. This is my room. You can see. Yeah. Wow, this looks good. This is my room, you guys can see. I don't want to go inside to give you full tour, but this looks like that. It's not looking bad, not that clean, but good. So in one single room for one person, they have given us like this wardrobe and this kind of shelves for books, and one person can have one shelf and one wardrobe and cupboard, and every room has air condition. Look at that, very fresh new one bed. Bed is big, not small bed, and the walls are completely new colored, very fresh, very clean. And you can have this very bright HD light, and can have all the plugs here. You can see a lot of plugs for internet. The internet facilities is available, you just need a connection. Here also you can have some other plugs. Let me show you here. The plugs are everywhere. It's very like advanced level professional, and not that expensive but not cheap. It's very good. Looks right now like I have on the lights. The rooms looks good. Look this wooden floor is very nice. And let me give you a tour of the balcony. So 3 rooms, 1, 2, 3. These 3 rooms are using this one balcony. You can see, but the view of this balcony is very great. Look at that. Wow, amazing. And that one is the another dormitory. This dormitory, their dormitory is looking very beautiful, but I haven't been there yet, and I don't know, I can go there to show you, but it's still like the same things. But their dormitory is a very beautiful building. Look at these trees and look at this view. Wow, amazing. So guys, this is the balcony view. Wow, it looks very beautiful. I like this because here is very much brighter. Light is so much. On that old dormitory there was not that much light because there was a lot of buildings behind and front and beside, so that is why the light was very low. So that is it for our dormitory tour, guys. I hope you would like this video. If you like, please help me through subscribe and like this video and share with your friends. If you want to come to China and you want to have the tour of international dormitories, international student dormitory, and I will be really grateful for your support if you like and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and until tomorrow I will say you goodbye. Take care of you and your family. Bye bye. Love you all and peace. 她是我们的好阿姨，她是我们的姐姐。
谢谢谢谢。
不客气不客气。阿姨，你喜欢哪个宿舍还是这个？
我都可以啊，2个宿舍都可以。
你觉得呢？这个好还是那个？
啊，这个像家一样，那个就像学生宿舍，对吧？
是，这个也有那个做饭的。
做饭的温馨一点，对吧？那个有做饭的厕所啊，都在一个。
非常干净，是的。So the important questions: how many people can stay in one room? Master students, 2 bedrooms, and PhD student, single room. A bachelor 2, so only PhD student can have single room in these dormitories. The electricity is still, we lived here 2 months, they didn't charge us any single penny because maybe the system is old, so they would upgrade to the new system, because in China you usually pay by your WeChat or Alipay, so that's why maybe the system is not that advanced right now, so they are working on that. Maybe in next month or in coming months they will charge us the electricity. Water, everything is free, rest of everything is free, just electricity. And another thing is that this dormitory is only for foreigners, no Chinese can live here.